What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of GAT Talks. Today we are going to be taking a look at the XX IP68 waterproof fitness tracker smartwatch for women. This is a smaller smartwatch, which I think is perfect for ladies because it has a really small watch face. If you guys do want to purchase this watch after the video, you guys can use my eBay affiliate link in the video description below, and I will earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And it will take you to eBay and trusted sellers. This watch usually goes for about the mid 30s to low 40s US dollar range, depending on the seller that you choose to get it from and the website. And if you guys have not yet already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with new videos on the latest gadgets, electronics, and smartwatches. So make sure you guys subscribe and don't miss out on that. Now, we're going to take a quick walkthrough of this watch and see what it has to offer. This watch only comes with black and white, so it's not colored watch face. Let's see what it has to offer. And it only comes with a semi-touch screen right here, so you can't really just touch anywhere on the screen, but you have to browse forward with only this one little button. Let's see if it has any other watch faces, which I doubt because it's black and white. Now I'm going to long press in the default watch face. Oh, actually, to my surprise, it does come with other watch faces. If you want to change the watch face on this thing, you just long press on the watch face. And now we're back to the default original watch face. You have your steps counter, calories counter, distance counter, which are very standard functions. Your heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, your blood oxygen, which I don't use. I think this is your sedentary reminder, which is nice to have a reminder. Your message notifications. This should be your settings. Anti-lost. This should be your stopwatch. And your watch specs. Now let's, for this video, we're gonna see how accurate these monitors are, namely the heart rate monitor and the blood pressure monitor. I'm going to have this watch on just my pulse because I hate putting on these steel band watches. But it should have everything it needs to give me a reading. I expect myself to be somewhere in the high 60s to low 70s range because I'm just sitting down. And I am pretty calm for the most part. So this is somewhere within my expectations, but now it's going up. So this is one of those watches that doesn't give you a final reading every time for a session, a static reading. So it actually continues monitoring your heart rate, which in my opinion, I don't like that because it kind of just gives me an impression that it just not done measuring. I would much more prefer a static reading after a measure, but this is one of those watches that would continuously give you a reading, which is somewhat within my expectations. But every time you get readings from your fitness trackers, you definitely want to cross-reference it with another device that you really trust before trusting these devices any further. Now let's go to the blood pressure monitor. I expect myself to be somewhere with lower than the 110 on the higher reading and about 90 on the lower reading. Now let's see if that's what we're going to get. So it should take about 20 seconds. So it seems that it is within my expectations for the higher reading. On the lower reading, it's a little lower than my expectations. But like I said, every time you get a reading from these fitness trackers, you do want to cross-reference it with something that you already trust before, relying on these any further. Now, this concludes my short video of this XX IP68 waterproof smartwatch for ladies. And like I said, if you guys do want to purchase this watch after this video, you guys can use my eBay affiliate link in the video description below, and it will take you to eBay and trusted sellers. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on any new gadgets reviews. And I'll see you guys next time.